Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. And before us is this question in mathematics, which is also question number 13 of the WASSCE SSC 2022 November-December. And it says in a class of 40 students, in bracket 8 plus 3x read chemistry and 12 read physics only. If 5 students read neither chemistry nor physics, find the value of x. Alright, from this question we are aware that the universal set here is 40. Okay, alright, and the number of students that neither read chemistry nor physics is 5, which is chemistry, physics is 5. Okay, and the number of physics only is 12, and we are given that chemistry is given as 8 plus 3x. All right, now if this physics only read 12, so let us say that will be 40 minus 12, which is 8 here, 3 minus 1, that will be what, 2. Okay, now definitely these are the remaining students. Now 5 doesn't take both chemistry and physics, so here we have 28 minus 5, which is what, 23. Okay, now in this case it means that 23 now offers chemistry, so here we have 23 now equals 8 plus 3x. Okay, collecting like terms or transposing 8 to 23, here you have 23 minus 8 equals to 3x. Now which will give us this minus this, 23 minus 8 will give us 15. Alright, divide both sides by 3, this cancel this, so our x here, 3 here, 3 here is 5, so our x here is 5. Alright, this final answer. And if you let us see how true it is, 8 plus 3 into 5, this will give us 8 plus 15, which is 23, plus 12, which is 5, plus 5, which is 40. Alright, if you love this my tutorial, kindly subscribe and ensure that you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading. Thank you and God bless you.